helping to fire up the bike today. We have a new utility pole being set up across the street, so that's all of the background truck noise. So I think today is the day that I will try firing up my 1975 Honda Goldwing 1000 that has been this banana box project now for several months. I have primed the carburetors. For me, the really big question, the thing I am most nervous about, is the wiring. As you have seen along the way, I had to kind of figure out this wiring for myself, and I'm worried that somewhere along the way I may not have gotten the proper connections. Move the bike to the outside and give it a few checks electrically, and then try to fire it. I will point out that these carburetors are an unknown to me. They came in the box. I'm presuming that they're good. I have not had to cover off the distributor cap, so I don't know what kind of shape the points are in, but I'm going to give it a try as it sits. So I'm just about to connect the battery. You know, before I do that, I think I will go get a fire extinguisher. Okay, battery connected. Next step will be to turn the key on. See if I get any response, any lights. I don't even know if this cylinder works. On. P. I'm not seeing any lights up here. I guess I can check to see if I've got power across the main fuse. So there seems to be power there sometimes. And then down the other side, power. I have to fiddle with it a bit. Power, but not consistent. So I'll start by tightening that up.